Hi.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
You ready to take part on? You have to do, right?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, sweet.
Go on.
You ready?
I'll make the best of what I've got.
You gonna what?
Make the best of what I've got.
That's why I love you, Paula. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna get married soon, love. Okay,
Yeah, we are.
Here we go. Here we go.
Go on.
You
Whack it.
You sure?
Spin.
You sure?
Hard, hard.
You
Yeah,
sure?
go on, really hard. Yes.
Yeah, 40. I white yard. You trying? I white yard. Don't worry, I'm gonna come back to you for the bread. Okay, well, let's go. Let's go. Show us your fridge. Paula, show us your fridge. We need to see your fridge now. Explain every item. We need to see your fridge. Everyone, look. Show your fridge. It's there, yeah?
Hang on.
Show us your fridge, Paula.
This is embarrassing.
Don't worry, Paula, man. I want to see that chicken in the bag, you know. I know you got the chicken in the bag. You say you don't use seasoning.
Hang on, I'm doing a spin. I'm doing a spin. Hang on.
You got to show us the whole fridge inside. Explain to us what's going
not
on.
Much.
What's going on? So explain to us the items.
Right, cream, cold coffee.
Wait, Paula. What's the cream for?
My dog.
Why do you give that to your dog?
Because she likes double cream.
Okay, cool.
Milkshake.
Yeah, milkshake.
Right, jam. A bit of that.
What's the jam
a bit
for?
of that, a bit of that, a bit of that.
What's the jam for?
My toast.
You got bare sauces though. Okay, cool. What's next? What's next? Next shelf.
Next shelf.
Yeah.
Butters. I just bought any butters. Any butters. Right. Cheese spread. I'm getting a shopping delivery tomorrow, so it doesn't matter. More juice.
That's not juice.
More
juice. That's fizzy. That's fizzy. That's not juice. That's fizzy drink. That's not good for you, Paula. Can you please put that in the bin or tip it down the sink, Paula? That's not good for you.
My partner. Oh, mineral waters. Lemon and lime. Strawberry.
Mad fridge.
Milk.
Mad fridge, you know, Paula.
I know, it's a bit of chaos.
So where's the chicken? Where's the chicken?
Chicken, hang on, just going in the freezer. 1 minute. Chicken in a bag, but they're Kias. Hang on, I'll tell you what they are. These are nacho chicken toppers. Look, can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Nacho chicken toppers. What else have we got?
Paula, I swear down, Paula. I love you so much, Paula, man.
See ya. Skittle lollies. Dog's food. This is frozen chicken for my dog. And she eats that to herself. Pizza. What else have I got? Oh. Partner's food, not mine. Bigging up the cheese and onion bakes from Greg's the Baker's. Look at them, bad boys. Hang on, what else have I got?
Hey, Paula, listen to yourself. You said look at them bad. What was that, Paula? What was that? Explain that.
Hang on a minute, I'll get it back. Bigging up the jumbo sausage frozen selection from Iceland. Right. Oh, you want to know what that was? Charred grilled chicken. burgers.
Okay, Paula. Thanks for showing us your fridge and your freezer, Paula, man. We appreciate it. We appreciate it, Paula, man.
I know. It's a bit of a mad one. I'm going to have to declutter that and sort it out properly.
They're calling you the oven queen.
Huh?
They're calling you the oven queen.
The other queen, what do you mean?
The oven queen, the oven.
What about the oven?
They said you're the oven queen. You're a queen of the oven.
Queen of the oven. Try and be.
Come on. Okay, Paula. Nice having you on here, man. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay blessed and stay safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Continue to enjoy. Thank you very much. Peace. Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.